So unit 2, HTML tables and forms. Today we are going to discussing about the tables in HTML. So basically what are the content we are covering: table forms, here forms inputs and elements, and CSS HTML pages. A new version of the HTML5 will be there in this one. So what is basically a table which we are discussing now? So basically table is consist of rows and columns. Okay, so the horizontal lines and vertical lines. Whenever you are going to store the data in a system or showing the web pages, okay, if you show the data in the table manner, okay, so it is look good, means here a rows and columns which we represent a table. When a row and column is mixing, that will call as a cell, means here a row and a column, a mixing place will be there. This area what we are seeing in this area, a box will be appearing. The box will be called as a cell. So in HTML, to create a table, okay, first we use a tag called as a table tag here. Under this one we have to use to tr to create a row, to create a table row, and to give the data in that table we use td, that is represented table data in that cell here. Okay, and we must close after that giving the data this one under the table, that one. Okay, okay, then here to put the heading of your table, then we use the th here. So any table if you having the heading, for example, assume that this is a table I am drawing here now. So in this table, what are the things you are giving? Okay, this is called first cell. For example, this first cell you are writing serial number. So the serial number we call as here serial number name. Okay, something Telugu marks or Hindi marks, like this one. So this will called as a table heading. So table heading normally displayed in the letter bold on our HTML page. Okay, so if you see simple here, table specification with table, and table row specification with the tr. Okay, and table data, what are the data you are giving here. Under table we are giving the data called html 1993, these are called as a data. Okay, so same as thing, if you want to give the heading of this one, so here th means table versions. Okay, html versions, here you can give yes. So let us see the small program on this one of the table. And then next one, the caption. Caption is also useful to give the table name. Okay, what are the table you are going to creating, that will be given under the caption here. So see the program now just. So let us see this one. Here table border I am making 0 here. Okay, so whenever you are going to using the, so tr table row, so this is a table row. Then th, the s1 item quantity is commanded th is heading, so that it is displaying the bold letter. The next one we are closing the table letter, table row. This is the first row here. So this is, you can use that with called as a t head also, otherwise we can use simple th also. The next one, t body, the table body. So this is a table body we are going to create, under that one again we are going to creating tr, means one more row we are going to creating now here. So under td we are going to giving the one, that one is displaying here now. Then td apple is going to display under the item, and td2 means quantity, means here this is a first row and this is a second row, and that belong into first column. This is a first column, second column, third column. Okay, the first column will be serial number, item, The second column is item, third column is quantity. So TR representing that one, if one row is finished. Now again here, again we are going to third row here, and this one we are giving 3 mangoes, all these things. Okay, and the quantity 2 is there. So whenever you save this one, if you see this one here appearing the output, now here nothing will be displaying the like lines here, so that we have to give here border 1. So 1 I am giving here. Just save this one. So now see the your output. So if you want to give the caption of this table, then give up top this one. Okay, caption. So to give the table name, we use that one caption. And what are the table name you have to give? For example, I am giving fruits here. So the fruits, and I am going to closing the caption now. This will appear here, the above of the your table. Okay, I am saving, just refreshing the my web page. Okay, see the fruits is coming. So like this one, we can create a table under the this unit 2. Okay, so to create a table, we use some tags here. So what are the tags I will discuss now. Let us again one more time revisioning the tag names. What are the tag names we are going to using under the tables here now? So basically when we are using the table, okay, so first one we have to use the called as table table. Okay, for table start purpose, to give your title or for your table, we use that caption caption. Okay, to create a head, means this is a heading. Okay, so we use here, what we are using here to create this one th, but this is should be there under the tr tr. Okay, so under the tr tag we are using the th, means the table heading will be there now. So to create a rows here, we use the simple tag called as tr to give the data. So what are the data we have to give here? For example, apple or quantity, what are that one? So to give the data, we are use call table td td table data here. Okay, and if anything you are not giving under the cell, okay, that will become a empty. Okay, so for example, if you see here, okay, if you see here under the total column, I'm not giving the data here now, so that is showing the empty. Okay, so this is about the a simple demo of your table. You have to go to practice like this one by using your textbook programs, or what are the things will be there, you must practice here.